Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Like, I coulda won no. But anyways, I'm just here at home. I feel so like tired. I don't know if like my iron is low or like what. I actually need to check that out, but I just feel so drained. No matter how much sleep I feel like I'm getting, it's almost like it's not enough. I'm just at home with the baby, currently making spinach pizza to eat. Uh Not really much to do, to be honest. I'm just kind of just here chilling. Ziggy's gone to work, so it's just me and Nala here. Everyone's gone. I just want to put this out there because a lot of people have been messaging me lately, but actually for the past couple months, like a lot of people asking about the whole application process with Ziggy, like what was the process, what did I do, how long did it take, and all that stuff. But I just want to put this out there that Canada and America's whole application process is really different. I don't really know much about how the American process. I am Canadian. I feel like a lot of you guys think I'm American for some reason, but I'm Canadian. The process is like really different. I don't know how the American process works. I don't know how long it takes. And another thing is like I can tell you how long my process took, but that doesn't mean like that's how fast or how long yours is gonna take to move as well. Like it's just different, and I don't really know how they like the immigration works or how they decide on like what applications go through first or like you know what I mean. I don't really know. I've seen people all have like different circumstances or coming from different backgrounds, and some applications move. I saw where like some applications move fast, some applications move slow. And again, like I don't know if it's because of the situation that they were in or like the circumstances that they were in. Like it's really hard to tell, or if it's just luck that their application moves fast. Like for us, it took 6 months, and that's pretty quick. I've seen people where it happened 4 months, 5 months. I think I've seen someone it happened 3 months. But again, like everyone's, it's just different. Like everyone's timing is different. There's nothing, I didn't do anything special for my application to move fast. And a lot of people are just asking me like, did I do anything special? I didn't do anything special. I just submitted the application. I just waited. That's all I did. I don't really know what else to tell you guys. I mean, like I don't mind giving advice, but then like I don't want to give advice and then it's like, oh well, you said this. Like, you know, I'm not really into that. And to be honest, the whole application process is really stressful. It's a lot. Did have like 2 friends that helped me, but again, like we did everything on our own. We didn't have a lawyer or nothing like that, so it can be done on your own. What else are people asking me? The pricing and everything is online. You can find out the pricing there. Yeah, like a lot of people are just asking me to be honest, like it's not even like I don't want to help. Like if I can help everybody, I would, but I just don't have all the answers that people are asking me. And again, Canada and America is different. A lot of the questions I'm getting is from people from America. So I'm sorry that I really can't help you, but there's a lot of groups that you can join online where other people are going through the same situation as you, or like from the same country as you. So just that is like a useful tool that you can use to kind of help you to find answers to the questions that you're wondering, right? But yeah, I just have to kind of put that out there because I don't want anyone to feel like they're messaging me and I'm withholding information, because that's not me. That's just not me. I've been there and I understand, so trust me, I understand. So I just wanted to put that out there because a lot of people are just asking me. Like my DMs are literally full, my email. Sometimes I'm just like, holy crap, like can't answer everything. And I'm the type of person where I feel like if someone comes to ask me something, I feel like I need to have the answer. But I need to tell myself, like, it's okay to not know the answer. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to have the answer for everything. I did my research. So sometimes you just have to do your own research. But yeah, I just have to put that out there. Been really slacking on my vlogs lately. My camera currently, like, I don't know what is wrong with it. It just shut off. Like, it didn't really shut off, okay? It turns on, like, you hear it turn on, but, like, I can't see nothing on the screen. And my camera is the Sony A5000, so, like, it has a flip screen, but it doesn't have, like, the, what would you call it? Not the viewfinder. The part you put your eye on it, your eye on it, it doesn't have that part. It just has, like, the screen. So, like, I can't see anything. And I don't want to chance it to vlog, and, like, I don't even know if I'm recording or not. So I need to go bring that to get fixed, which kind of really sucks. And honestly, if it comes to the point where I have to replace it or get a new camera, I don't think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna continue using my phone because my phone has not failed me yet. I'm just so over it. Like, I've watched other vloggers where they'll spend so much money on these expensive cameras and then like in no time like they friggin' break, and it's just so annoying. I don't know how long I had this camera for, 3 years or 2 years, but it's just highly annoying, to be honest. But anyways, enough ranting. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to all you guys who sent Ziggy his happy Father's Day messages. It was his first Father's Day and it was really fun. We chilled with the Williams family, and we also did our own thing in the morning and, you know, did gifts and all that stuff. But I didn't really film all that because I didn't feel like I need to film all that. But anyways, it was good. Like, because even when it was Mother's Day, we didn't even really know what to do. We were just like, oh, it's another day. Like, you know, it just felt like another day. But this year was both of our first Mother's Day and Father's Day, and it was a success nevertheless. So, but I'm just gonna go finish, do what I'm doing, and, you know, like, I'll tune back with you guys, I guess. So I'm downstairs and baby girl just woke up. I didn't even get to eat yet. Yo, it's so scary because she's actually moving so quick. Like, we gotta be so careful how we leave her on the bed because... Hello! Hi, Mama! Hi, Mama! Hi! The people that want to know when they're gonna see you. Hi! Were you wondering where I was? Were you wondering where I was? So I know you guys are wondering, like, oh, when are we gonna see Nyla? We want to see Nyla. And some people are literally like getting mad at me, but I said in one of my vlogs, I'm out of breath, holy. I said in one of my vlogs that you guys will be seeing her you guys will be seeing her this month. Just stay tuned. You guys are gonna see her, like, just relax. She's coming. The vlogs are coming, right, Nyla? The vlogs are coming. Yeah, tell them. Exactly. Tell them the vlogs are coming. Tell them what's so funny. Tell them the vlog. So, y'all, we're currently here watching Once Upon a Time once again. It's a whole series show. How much season is it? We're on season 2, almost on season 3. I don't know how much season there is, but this show is addicting. Like, we literally go to bed watching it, wake up watching it. This is crazy. If you haven't watched it, Once Upon a Time, Netflix, it's really, really good. Like, it's almost addicting. What? What? But yeah, we're just here. We're kind of debating if we wanted to go for a walk. Shauna wanted to link up with us, but I don't know what she's doing. I know, I actually need to delete some of the videos on my phone too. But yeah, we're just here, y'all. Yesterday was the first day of summer, second day today, but it's not that hot outside. We opened the back door and it was a little cold, but anyways, we're just here, as I was saying. Okay, no, I need to get back to the show right now.
Alright, I'm tired.
Tired from what?
Made that catch me. That's fair.
Hi.
Hi. What's up?
Hi. Hi, mamas.
What?
You bought her?
You bought her.
Oh, wait. My auntie is the, what? Cherry Best.
Step back with this, your outfit.
Yeah, outfit of the day we say.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Turn Lyra.
Hey, hey.
What? Hey. Dancing queen.
You know what she's doing?
What?
Cause I stay at home and I'm like, hey. That's when you see her hand straight like this. Lyra. Hey. Mommy, come. Hey.
Hi.
Mommy. me take off your shoes. Come.
It's on your shit chocolate here, and I'm here.
Yeah, no, it's from Oreos from home. Hey! Go Lyra! Go Lyra! Come here.
You blow the bubbles? Let's blow bubbles. Bubbles! See the bubbles? Blow. Blow, blow. Yeah, blow. You wanna dip it? You can go like this. Look, bubbles! Bubbles! Bubbles. Let me blow it. Bubbles.
Baby.
Bubbles. Look. Bubbles. Ba.
I don't know what that is.
I was only joking. It looks cute.
You're lying.
It looks cute. I like it.
I like it, but only thing next time I'm not gonna cut hair short.
Yeah. I think one side's supposed to be short though. No, this side. Your other side?
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
this side, but I told her I wanted short hair, but next time I'm gonna.
It looks cute. I like
In
it.
like 2 weeks, this will grow longer.
Bubble. You blow the bubbles? Here. Looks like she's scared to touch the ground. Okay, where's this bee going? Bubbles, blow bubbles.
Baby.
Blow it. You have to blow it. You just want to dip it. Blow it. Good girl. It's like she's scared to move in the grass.
Abby.
I'm about to eat my dinner. Shout out today.
Bang! Nah, nothing. So anyway, we are close off the video anyway, you see me? Come on, shout out couple two people. See three. You remember me? Johnny and Phillips. Big up yourself. Just shades or shads? Just shades or just shads. You tell me how we go. Big up yourself. Enough blessings, you know? You see pre. Oh crap, nah, it again. Nice, okay. So like, comment, share, subscribe, always. See that little bell up there, someone didn't touch on that little bell there to get every notification, you know? And just subscribe to the channel, because there are a whole heap of things, you know, man. Whole heap of things. Whole heap more vibes that come, you see, pre. And I wonder when I have on a short time, I get hot and nice. You know, like me there yard, see me, you know, that's how we beat it down. Boodoo! Yeah, now. Could I want no? Ready now.
Hi.
Hey!
One field. So we have 3, 4.